Welcome back to the CARCare Test Drive lessons. In this lesson, we'll have a look at maintenance records. Specifically, I'll demonstrate how to add maintenance records to your database and how to edit those maintenance records should editing be necessary. I'll turn to CARCare. I'll choose a sample vehicle that came with your CARCare installation, and we'll go to the Maintenance tab. As you'll see, we have some sample maintenance records that appear. So I'll double-click on one of these sample records. A maintenance record includes a service date, an order, checkboxes to determine whether the work was performed in warranty or whether it was related to a recall. We have a serviced by field, which would generally be a dealer or a repair shop, or it could be yourself if you performed do-it-yourself maintenance. We have a work summary, which is a brief description of the nature of the maintenance record, and we have a full description where you can elaborate as much as you'd like regarding the nature of the service. Next, we have three tabs. We have labor/tasks, we have replacement parts, and we have attachments. The labor/tasks tab is where you'll record the service activities that took place. When you double-click that record, you'll see the task description, the cost, and a comments box. You can add any number of labor/task records to a maintenance record, so you can itemize all of the activities that took place within the context of this maintenance record. On the Replacement Parts tab, if we right-click and choose Add Parts Record, we'll have a look at how the parts record appears. We have a quantity, we have a part number, which also includes a pick list where you can choose from previously used parts or from common replacement parts for the vehicle. And we have a price each. Naturally, we have a part description and we have a vendor. The vendor would generally be the vendor where you purchase the material or the dealer if the dealer serviced the vehicle for you. If the part was in warranty, check this box. You'll still be capturing the fact that you replaced the part, but if the in warranty no charge box is checked, the cost will not contribute to the maintenance total. Finally, we have an Attachments tab where you can add a reference to an externally stored document, such as a scanned image of the invoice and the location where that document is stored. Generally, for PDF files, you always want to use Launch Application. Next on the maintenance record, we have the charges area. This is where labor, miscellaneous, parts, discount, tax, and the total will appear. Labor and parts are subtotaled for you based upon the individual labor/task records on the maintenance record and the replacement parts records. This is a quick look at how a maintenance record will appear. What we'll do now is we'll go back to our sample vehicle. I'm going to right-click and choose Add Maintenance Record. We'll leave the date set to today. CARCare is automatically providing order numbers for us. This is not warranty, nor is it a recall type of repair. So we'll say that this was serviced by our dealer, and the odometer was 8,800 miles. For the work summary, we'll say that we repaired the front left brake caliper. And for the full description, we'll elaborate a little bit more, and we'll say that the brakes were noisy. Under Labor Tasks, we're going to add a task record, so I'll right-click and choose Add Task Record. The labor/task description will be replaced front brake caliper. The cost for the item will be $88.50, and I'll click OK. For the replacement parts, I'll choose that tab and we'll right-click and choose Add Parts Record. This will be a quantity of 1. We'll give it a sample part number, and the price each will be $45.50. And this will be a brake caliper. The vendor is set to dealer, and again, this work is not being performed in warranty, so I'll click OK. What we've done so far is we've added a labor line to replace the front left brake caliper at a cost of $88.50 for the labor. And for the parts, we've recorded the fact that we replaced a brake caliper with a specific part number and a cost. This is a sample of adding a maintenance record to your database. Maintenance records in CARCare are comprehensive, but as you see, they're rather quick and easy to use. You can fully itemize the labor activities that were performed, as well as the replacement parts that were replaced on the vehicle. So I'll click OK. You'll note that we performed this work at 8,800 miles. Therefore, the odometer on the Yaris is now at 8,800 miles. As you add odometer values either to fuel or maintenance records, if the odometer value is greater than the value that's on the vehicle, it will be increased. If we needed to edit this record, simply double-click. You'll have access to the labor tasks record and to replacement parts. Make your changes and click OK. This was a quick look at how to record maintenance records in CARCare, and thanks for watching.